Hi, I'm Dr. Nikita, working in Elden Dental Hospitals, KPHP, Kondapur, Manikonda, and Banjar Hills. Hi, how much space do we need for brushing? So, usually, what mistake we do, we almost squeeze out full paste like this. How much actually do we need for brushing? Just a peanut size of paste is enough for your brushing. Maybe you're wondering how much paste that small kids, I mean infants, do they need. So just a grain size of paste. This is enough. By chance, if there is any food in between your teeth, usually people use this. So say no to this. You can't use pins or toothpicks in between your teeth. So try to use interdental brushes. So just one pass and rim. That will clean your food particles which is in between the teeth. Thank you. So if there is any food particle or if there is any plaque in between your teeth, take ample length of floss and nicely pass the floss in between your teeth and do to and fro motion. So this will clean the in between stuck to your food particles or any plaque or any unnecessary material which is stuck in between your teeth, and do not use toothpicks or any pins which will help you to remove. So do not use that. Only use tooth floss or interdental brushes. So people brush their teeth and they clean their teeth. If any food particle is stuck in between the teeth, they'll use floss or interdental brush to clean their food particles or any plaque material. But what about the tongue? Do you really clean your tongue? So if so, please do follow the instructions properly. If not, start from today, because tongue saves a lot of bacteria and a lot of the plaque material which you can't see from your naked eye. So it is necessary to clean your tongue from 6 months to there is no age limit for the cleaning of tongue. So for the kids, you can nicely choose different types of tongue cleaners. It looks like a toffee, but it's not a chocolate. It is a tongue cleaner where they can do to and from motion, or they can chew. So this will eventually remove the dirt. If you are the elder patient, try to use tongue cleaner properly. Choose a better material. Do not use plastic material which doesn't hurt you for proper cleaning. This is a copper tongue cleaner which will help you not to rust your tongue cleaner, and also which will clean properly your tongue. So do use tongue cleaners. If so, please do follow all the instructions. Thank you.